going round and around, and the fish might think it's 18 minutes.
And what are you going to catch?
I think I might catch a really huge fish or a little fish.
Are there any jellies
It can
out
be
there?
any fish.
Are there any jellies out there?
I haven't seen it yet.
Hang on, go.
This is my lure. My dad does do the casting, so I don't know how to do the casting.
Don't fall in.
So I'll just wait for that and he might pass it to me. Watch this.
What? That was a bad one.
That was the bad one.
Yeah, this one over there.
So you try again. So it's my turn. I do this. I do this. I just keep winding it and the fish might follow us and bite it. Watch out for the...
Okay, stop.
Oh, see these little tiny eyes on it? The fish might sink. See these sharp things? They can actually hit you on this, like you bleed. So these lures are actually really strong for a fish. I hook the fish up like this. The fish, and I reel it in. And there's one secret, really sharp. The pliers, they help to get the lure. They help to get the lure back out. Really special, and actually really sharp. Like that, it's really sharp. See these big, strong claws. Look at that. I might show Paul this video, and I hope you see his Paul. I did this at holidays. No, I'm doing it 2 times. I didn't catch fish yet, but one time I will. I'll show you the picture.
Oh,
See.
that was really...
Bye.
Okay.
Hello, Nathan Will. It's me, Harry. And even, I'm going fishing out here. This is my grandpa's boat, but my grandpa died. And it's grandma's boat now. So I'm going fishing. Let's see if we can catch good fish. Ready, Dad? Pliers. I got the pliers ready. Oh, this is just a life jacket. That's in case when I sink in the river. Ready? Ready, guys? So first I'm going to do this. First I'm going to wind it like this. I know there's a little bit of colour. It helps it with... Do you see the colour? That's alright. God, what the... Maybe on the wrong way.
Hang on. Oh.
Oh no.
There's a fish!
No.
Oh,
was a fish?
Yeah.
You had a bite, Harry.
Oh God.
There was you hear the line going off? There was a fish, Harry.
There was a fish. I was right and even. Bye.
You had a bite at it.
But still stuck on. There you. Bye.